Welcome to our whiteboard animation on the power of audience-centric marketing. Today, we delve into a captivating story that illustrates the essence of understanding your target audience. Meet Michael Dell, the founder of Dell, who as a young entrepreneur selling newspapers, discovered a valuable lesson in connecting with customers. To boost his sales, Michael adapted his communication style to resonate with his audience. By speaking their language and forming a genuine connection, he witnessed a remarkable increase in newspaper sales. This story highlights the importance of aligning your message with the preferences of your target audience. Whether you're a lifestyle brand or a tech giant, understanding how your audience speaks and what they value is key to capturing their interest. In today's competitive market, engaging content that reflects the authentic voice of your audience is essential. Thank you for joining us on this journey into the power of audience-centric marketing. Stay tuned for more insightful stories and strategies to elevate your brand's presence in the market.